we're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies.
Okay. First, you want to take your flour. Okay.
First, you gotta take your flour.
And mix it with the baking soda right there. Pour it all in there. Next, you want to take the salt and pour it in there.
This?
Okay. Now you want, oh, and the cinnamon. The cinnamon is in the little bowl. No, not that one. No, the little one with the feet. And put that in there. Pour it all in there. And then we want to mix that up. Let's get the spatula and mix it up like that. Just stir it like that.
Let me do it.
Oh, okay. I'm just showing you how to do it. Ooh, ooh. That's okay. We'll clean that up.
Okay.
There.
Okay,
Mix it up like that. Now, that's just, okay. So the next step, we're going to mix the butter. Not that, that's peanut butter. Butter.
This?
No, it's in the other butter. No, it's melted butter.
Where?
Right here. Butter.
Butter?
Pour it into the bowl. All of it. Good job. Butter. Brown sugar.
This?
No, it's brown. There you go. Just push the top. Pour it in and then push the top. Push it like that. Push it right here. Okay. Now, the sugar, the regular sugar. Careful, careful. Pour it in there. All right. And now the peanut butter. I'm gonna put that in there too. Let's use a spatula for that.
You're gonna do it?
No, you are. We're just gonna make sure we get it all out with our spatula.
Hey, you're doing it.
No, I'm just getting it out for you. See, I just got it all out for you. That's all I was doing. No, I'm letting you do it. Now it's time for the mixer. And we're going to beat this in there. You've never done this before.
No.
Okay, we're going to put it on medium speed. That's like, no, wait a minute. Oh gosh, you can't do that. Just hold it right there. You keep doing that. I'm going to go clean this off. It's looking good. All right, let's straighten the bowl up. Turn that off. Hold this. Now we have to beat in the egg and vanilla, but we're just gonna do it slowly. This is the vanilla, and that's the egg.
After the video, can I leave this?
Okay, not now though, okay?
Okay. After the video?
Yes. I'm gonna crack the egg.
Whoa. How did you do that?
I just beat it in there. Okay.
Can I do it when I'm bigger enough?
Yeah.
When I get 5?
Maybe when you get 5. Okay.
Or 6.
All right. Now we're going to turn this back on. So see what we're doing. Can you hold it? Yeah, you do it. Careful.
I will.
Now we have to add in our flour. Keep that in there. Uh-oh, how did the bowl get way back there? We gotta bring it back. Now we have to add this stuff in.
Ooh, I will do it. I will do it.
Slowly, a little bit at a time. Come over this way so you're not blocking the view. Let's mix this up first. Doing great. Add some more. Ooh, that might be too much. That's coming out. Okay, you mix it. Come over here, you're going to block the view all the time. I want you to see what you're doing. Okay, let's put the last little bit in there. Alright.
Gonna help me?
Yeah, of course. Ooh, it's getting super thick. You might have to increase the speed a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Scrape the side. Here, you get the mixer. The mixer. Keep it in the bowl. Keep it in the bowl, or we're going to have a big mess. Is that everything? Yeah. Okay. I think we're done. Let go. Okay.
Now we need to do this.
Yeah.
Yay! I can pour it by myself. Hey, get off me, sir.
Let's get the open it.
Okay.
Let's come over here. You're blocking the view. I'm gonna use the open it on this. There we go.
Can I pull it off?
We're not gonna put all of them in there, just a few of them.
You can save some
for another time.
Yeah.
We'll put a lot in there, but not too much. Yeah, that should do it. Okay.
What?
Stir it up.
Okay, with this. They look good.
Ooh, it does.
No. It looks
Ooh. Looks very good. Look at that.
Whoa. It looks like cookie dough.
It is cookie dough.
Like
We're just gonna put a few walnuts in it.
walnut.
Oh man, it's so thick.
Walnut.
You can stir it.
Okay.
I gotta get to open it again.
We're gonna eat so good cookies. This is gonna be so good.
Mm-hmm.
But Charlize doesn't like walnut.
We're just gonna put a few.
Charlize doesn't like them in there.
That's okay. She'll still eat it. Just a few. Now we gotta get these walnuts mixed in very good.
We made.
Oh,
First we
wait, don't get so close to it. Stand up right there.
make the dough.
Mm-hmm.
And then we gotta put it in oven and then this
We're gonna
then
cook these in the microwave.
white
Yes.
in the microwave.
Yeah.
And then it's all ready.
Yeah. Well, let's get our stone because we are ready for that now.
Yeah. Can I pour it?
No, you don't pour it.
Oh.
You take a little dropper. Well, we'll leave that right there. Something's wrong with this. Oh, there we go. It's fixed.
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, I think you can do it.
You don't know?
I know, but I want you to do it. Okay, let me show you what to do first, okay? First, you get a little ball like that. And then you put it, you squeeze it like that. See that? Now you got a little cookie ball. Just like that.
Now my
That's all
turn.
you gotta do. Your turn. Just scoop it up. Don't worry about squeezing it. No, that's too much.
I'm kidding.
Let me help you. Okay, get a little bit. Wait. Get a little bit. And then you squeeze onto
I'm
the...
gonna squeeze it.
Good job.
Good.
Good job. Don't worry about squeezing it now. You just want to get it in there. Here, let me help you.
Okay.
Just go like that. See, I'm not squeezing it. I'm just getting the cookie dough on there. And then you squeeze like that.
Oh.
See that? Now you can try. You can do this one. Squeeze it when you put it on the baking sheet. A little further apart. A little further apart. There you go.
Cool.
Come on, well, let me just get it going.
You're blocking the camera.
No, the camera is over there.
Oh.
You just gotta get it going. So we can get these in the microwave.
Yeah, so and then we can eat a little.
Yeah, we're gonna try them out.
Yeah.
See what they taste like.
I hope they're not hot.
They will be hot.
I'm gonna let them cool off for a
Oh, we
minute.
have to.
Yeah. Almost done.
Oh,
One more side to go.
Yeah.
And then we put it in. This is so cool. I wish I can eat one.
We have to wait until it's done.
And then we gotta pour that thing in. And that's it. We didn't do that yet.
What?
That thing. That thing.
The vanilla?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that. Watch your hair. We don't want hair in our cookies. Okay. So now we are going to transfer the cookies
In the microwave.
to the microwave.
Well, I can see it. I can see it. And I can see it. And I can see it. And I can see it. I can't see it. You're blocking the camera. I'm on video. I'm on video. I'm on video. No, no, wait. I'm going to wait.
Okay.
Are the cookies out of the oven? I mean, microwave.
Yeah.
I was on video today. You want to watch it?
Go.
Or the finished cookie? Yum.